everybody. We're gonna have homemade pizza tonight, so we need to make some pizza dough. So the first thing you need to do is get a bowl and grease that. Then you need another bowl. You need 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast and a 1/4 cup of warm water. And let that start to get foamy. And get out some flour, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and sugar, and I'll be back. Okay, in your mixing bowl, you're gonna add a cup of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and about a 1/2 teaspoon or less of garlic powder. That's if you want flavored crust. And I'll be back when my yeast is ready. Okay, put in your yeast. And then you need about a cup of warm water. Start mixing this around. Then you're gonna add another cup of flour. Now you might need a little bit more, like 2 1/4 cup, but start with another cup of flour and mix that in. And once you got it kind of mixed up, where I put my tablespoon, get some olive oil and put 2 tablespoons in. And just add some more flour. And stir this all around. So I used about 2 1/4 cups. It's gonna be a little sticky, but that's okay. And just roll it around till you get a nice dough. You want it soft. Where it's not sticking to your bowl. Okay, so you want it like this. Okay, put this in your grease bowl, swirl it around, and flip it over. Then you're gonna cover it with plastic. And your tea towel. Till it doubles. I'm using the heating pad method. So get your plastic on. And get your tea towel. And set your timer for about 30 minutes. If it hasn't risen high enough, set it for another half hour. And I'll be back. Okay, once your dough has risen, get a pan. I have a large pizza pan. And grease it. And then you're gonna sprinkle some cornmeal on it. Then just flour your hands a little and get your dough out and plop it on. And then take your rolling pin and roll it out. Better. And this makes about a 12-inch pizza. And set your oven to 425. Just keep working your dough till you get it round. Archie's waiting for his pizza. He loves pizza. Okay, then take a fork and just poke some holes in it. Then you can either use spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce. I have spaghetti sauce that I had left over when I made the goulash. So just take some spaghetti sauce and get a tablespoon of cornstarch. And put that in what you have left of your spaghetti sauce and shake it up. and then you're just gonna pour it on.
Back up. Now, before you get bit.
Sorry. So get as much sauce as you want on it. I got a frozen piece there. And then get your cheese. We have a storm coming, so he was trying to get all the dogs out. Put your cheese on. I use mozzarella. And he wants pepperoni on his side. Okay. And this is going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's coming, storming. Get this in. Okay, and then when your oven's ready, just throw this in for 25 minutes. And you can shake a little Italian seasoning on it. And I'll be back when this is done. Okay, and there's our pizza. I cooked it for 20 minutes and then I just broiled it for a few seconds just to get the cheese nice and crispy. And that's it. Thank you again for subscribing, sharing, liking, and we'll see you tomorrow with something else new.